morning, guys. Today we have some special news about this car. I am going to show you how to control the car, how to accelerate, what is an brake, what is an clutch. Wait and see. Guys, I'm gonna tell you about the gear. The gear transmission that controls 1 to 6. I'm gonna show you how the car, in fact, how to control the gear starting the car. Guys, you can't control the gear without putting in the clutch. Just here, I have clutched in the clutch. Then here it's a gear. If you wanna start the car, you just turn it to gear 1, which is to gear 1 on the other steering. You want to change it to gear 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and a 6. Done. It's a neutral. The car can't go when you put it in the neutral. You need to put it maybe on gear 1 or 2 to the car of the gear wheel. Doing like this, you see, then you put it like this, then you reverse. But you still need to put in the clutch, please, not to bend the car. Then we take it back. I leave the car nicely and slowly. So this is the Kia Rio, how it starts. Kia, welcome. You can see the 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 220. It starts from the rev count. It starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 1000 RPM. That needs to show that the car is much more stronger than before when the revs comes up. As you can see, when I'm switching off the car, I'm lighting it. It's gonna go up and come down, showing how the rev is revved. Guys, I'm showing you the features of the car. Goodbye. This is for the volume, for the radio to come up, to come down by controlling in the steering. This is for calling. This is for cutting the call. Then this it's a mode. It's a mute to make the radio. Maybe you are trying to shut it down or your call. You can mute it, not hearing any voice. Here it's what do they call this? Air radiator. You can see it. It's like you can push in. Let me on the car. No, you can see here. It's lighting. I can put on auto and turn it automatic. I can make it get the air on the window, on the front window as it says here, on the rear and the back, and mode it inside the car. This is a cold or hot, or turn it in the whole car. And it says that it gives clean air on the car. That's how Kia Rio is it. Here it's what do they call this? This is a feature of the radio. It's like you can turn it off here, tells you time, even if you are not switching on the engine. You can light it on. You can put your phone, connect. There's media. You can put on your stick, something. There's radios. And the most impressive feature on this radio is that if it's night, you can't, if there's a person outside coming towards you in the car, can't see you turning on or can't hear that the radio is on. So easily you can press this button, turns off, but the radio is still playing. I'm sorry guys, need to turn on some radio so that you can see that I'm talking the truth. Oh, I hate the radio. Lord, no, I don't want AM. Yes, you see, there's it's lighting, showing the time, showing other radio stations. FM, you can switch off to FM2 and AM. Back to FM, you can switch off this, you see, but it's still singing. How this prettier feature is it? Thanks guys for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe. We had a real nice time showing you the features. We thank you. Tune on our next episode of showing Kia Rios and other cars features. Please don't forget to subscribe.